Imagine this. You are walking on the street. You see an old man. He wants to cross the road. But the cars are fast. He looks worried. What do? Do you stop and help him? Or do you just walk away? Your answer says a lot about you. Today, we talk about a big topic: how to be a good citizen. Let's find out together. What is a good citizen? A good citizen is a person who helps their country. A good citizen also helps their community. It is not always easy. But it is not hard, too. There are 4 important things. Let's learn them, one by one. First, study hard. Education is very important. When we study, we learn new skills. We become smart. We become useful. Think about a student named Anna. Every day, Anna studies. She studies English. She studies math. She works hard at school. Why? Because good study today means a better life tomorrow. And when Anna has a better life, her country becomes stronger too. Second, be kind and helpful. Good citizens help other people. Look around you. Every day, you can see people who need help. Maybe a woman carries a heavy bag. Maybe an old man wants to cross a busy street. You do not need to do big things. Small actions matter. Let's go back to Anna. One day, Anna sees an old man near the road. The cars move fast. He looks scared. Anna stops. She walks next to him. She helps him cross the street. It only takes 2 minutes. But for the old man, it means so much. Remember this: small actions make a big difference. Third, have good morals. Good morals mean you know right from wrong. You respect your parents. You respect your community. You follow the law. People watch how you act every day. They judge your character by your actions, not your words. So always choose to do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Fourth, take part in your community. A good citizen is active. Not just quiet at home. When there is an election, vote. Your vote is your voice. When your neighborhood has a meeting, go. Share your ideas. Maybe the street needs repair. Maybe the park needs more lights. Your opinion is important. Together, people can make real change. So, what makes a good citizen? 4 simple things. Study hard. Be kind and helpful. Have good morals. Take an active part in your community. It is not hard. Anyone can do it. Start today. Start small. Maybe help someone cross the street. Maybe vote in the next election. Every small action builds a better community and a better you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.